Hello, men. It's good to be back at Shiba Inu Crypto. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, the ability to burn SHIB was introduced earlier this year. According to the Shiba Inu burn tracker, the burn rate has been rising. Burn SHIB. The burn rate of a Shiba Inu increased by well over 1900% on the previous day. This time, 268,160,328 SHIB have been transmitted to and locked permanently in spendable wallets. In this video, we'll discuss how important it is to pay attention to the Shiba Inu signal. Major setbacks arriving. Shit news. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecast and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now. Without further ado, Shiba Inu price action has barely budged between bears and bulls, circling about both ends of the trading spectrum. It took until the weekend to finally see some sense of direction. And when these factors are compared to the present tumultuous week and the financial markets, something is wrong. The broken SHIB pricing action is the problem. It is now trading with modest volume, but it will soon catch up with the market environment. Bulls, on the other hand, want to pull off a breakout and start a rally away from the trend line. However, it is puzzling to observe such a subdued price response given that the world markets were blazing for nearly 4 trading days in a row. SHIB price must therefore catch up to reality because various asset types have experienced significant price changes. SHIB price appears unaffected by the large changes that prevented markets from rolling over, and this could be because 1011 cents continues to support the price action. However, do not count on that to stand up in the face of a long number of tail risks that will soon start to affect SHIB price action. When that occurs, say goodbye to the 1,000 cents barrier and prepare for a steep slide into 712 cents. Even if the SHIB price is able to move away from the red declining trend line, the 55-day simple moving average, which appears as the initial price cap at 0.12 for $5, presents a problem. The 200-day SMA 1500 cents will undoubtedly do that for the bears if that one does not, as it did during the summer. According to information from the SureBurn website, the Shiba community burned roughly 1,743,878,414 SHIB in September through the SHIB burn portal through 382 transactions, and 410,381,804,462,435 SHIB from its initial supply have been burned. 9 burn transactions to defunct wallets and $267 million worth of SHIB have burned in the last day. Shiba Eternity initially entered circulation in Australia on September 17. The Shiba Inu grew on September 17 and 18 by about 7%. However, current information regarding the game's release may increase interest. Furthermore, the share price has not changed significantly. With a 24-hour trading volume of $280,760,792, Shiba Inu was trading today 11 cents. And according to CoinMarketCap, SHIB has a market cap of $6 billion. The eagerly anticipated Shiba Inu game will go global in a week, according to the official release. Starting on October 6, 2022, the collectible card game Shiba Eternity Shiba Inu will be accessible worldwide. Hideyoshi Kusama, the ecosystem's principal creator, announced that the game's laws and plans would be made public on October 1, 2022. Hideyoshi Kusama, the ecosystem's principal creator, announced that the game's laws and plans would be made public on October 1, 2022. Shiba Eternity's download day was scheduled for October 1, according to the SHIB team's announcement in a space event on Twitter on September 23. The community would still like to see Shiba Eternity get to the top spot among all games on the App Store, giving the card game tremendous exposure. Despite the change in download day, users of the card game Shiba Inu can alternate between engaging in epic card battles and honing their deck-building abilities. The game's developers are now running a competition for trailers. The 30-second video that finalists must record is an app preview. According to the contest organizers, the winners would each receive SHIB tokens worth $5,000. While this is happening, new information from the cryptocurrency analytics firm WhaleStats reveals that Ethereum whales are still buying more SHIB tokens since it is still their favorite asset to purchase. The volume of SHIB token transactions climbed to almost $23.50 million on September 28. The Shiba Eternity's SHIB price could rise higher if download day's forecasts are met, was a string of tweets posted by Gossip Shib, alias Lucy Susan Kava. Shiba Eternity's chief creator Satoshi Kusama has given additional information about the utilization of the game's proceeds and the function of Shibuya. A percentage of the earnings, according to the anonymous developer, will be put into long-term community investments. Furthermore, he claimed that a portion of it would be given to charitable organizations without any expectation of payment in return. Even if the developer doesn't state what percentage is applied to these projects, he claims that at least 45% of the game's earnings will go to them, along with the additional 5% that the Crypto Basic article says will go to Burns. The neighborhood is aware of how 50% of the money will be used, but according to Kusama, a trade secret will be used to determine how the remaining 50% of earnings would be spent in order to make sure that the game outperforms its rivals. Notably, using the DAO, which uses Bone for voting, the community will choose which firms it wants the network to fund. Kusama adds that Chibo shareholders will be able to rent out their boxes to players of the blockchain version of the game in order to reward Chibo shareholders. In addition, those Shabo's property owners who are unable to rent out their homes will still get a consolation prize. Shibuya, according to Kusama, will serve as the focal point of everything. It is important to note that Kusama has officially revealed the card collection game's rules. Stories of interplanetary battle and the evolution of species are frequently included. According to the developer, the game is open-ended, as Gossip Shib stated in a different tweet. As a result, developers can always incorporate new features as the game advances. Notably, only 3 countries, Australia, Vietnam, and Indonesia, have received the Shiba Inu card collection game to date. However, it received a 4.9 out of 5 rating. The game's new launch date is now October 6th, as stated by the Crypto Basic at the month's conclusion. In roughly 3 days, Kusama is still pleading with the people to download mass, and the game on launch day. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has recently undergone modifications that are intended to increase scalability and reduce gas costs for everyone, especially for gamers. This is fantastic news for the neighborhood and ought to increase interest in the platform. The recent hike in interest rates and the announcement of increasing year-over-year inflation have made investors and traders to fear whether or not this will be enough for the coin to rally. Price has dropped by 25.6% since its most recent peak on September 10. This unsettling pattern might portend future economic problems. The 1,038 cents price range will support the relief rally that is anticipated for the coin. Since the token's bottom was on September 21st, this range has significantly increased, suggesting that the market is beginning to rebound. The resistance may be seen in the most recent fall at 1,192 cents. Bulls can easily take advantage of any breakthroughs towards the 78.60 FIB level, making this level crucial. A further price increase can be indicated if the bulls are able to break through the resistance. Due to the SHIB token's Ethereum foundation, the Ethereum ecosystem's volatility affects its value. Given the state of the market, this volatility could become more pronounced and cause the token's value to fall. The financial markets have been in decline lately, but if they quickly recover, SHIB should perform well because it is a trustworthy barometer of market developments. So, if the markets begin to improve, we anticipate that SHIB will too. Both investors and the economy as a whole benefit from this. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.